Good evening. Welcome. And here's today's daily MHP report. Tonight, we begin with major developments impacting manufactured housing communities nationwide.
Breaking tonight's tide, a Midwest state has introduced legislation requiring mandatory infrastructure audits for every manufactured housing community.
The proposal would require annual third-party inspections of water systems, wastewater infrastructure, electrical distribution. Under the bill, compliance reports would become public record pounds, with financial penalties for operators who fail to meet the standards. Opponents warn the legislation could significantly increase compliance costs for small and mid-sized operators. Industry analysts suggest the measure could also affect underwriting standards, reserve requirements, and long-term assets. Several operators are now evaluating potential capital expenditures in anticipation of stricter compliance standards. Because nothing says stable investment climate quite like a mandatory annual lagoon inspection. Yes, that means clipboards, inspectors, possibly fluorescent vests. Somewhere, infrastructure compliance may not be glamorous, but neither is explaining erosion at a zoning hearing.
Let's be honest, the phrase mandatory wastewater audit was never going to test well in focus groups. But here we are. And if you think this is just paperwork, wait until the underwriting models catch up.
After all, nothing reassures investors quite like the phrase routine wastewater compliance review. For operators, investors, and regulators alike, the message is simple. Price the risk fair, or the risk will price you. This has been your daily news for Monday the 17th.
At this guess, the MHP Daily Rhino. DM me with intel. Who's gonna carry the boat?